Reagan is stealing their puppy. That's why the nub's following. Go! Go! It's our puppy!
No.
I don't
Hello?
have a puppy.
Yeah, you do.
No, Dad.
Hey.
I don't know what you're talking about.
We're stealing a puppy right now. Stealing a puppy. In the field. A nub is following us. Because we have... No, in the field. Yeah. Where are you at? Just keep going.
Do you not see this? It likes me more.
It clearly likes us more.
Nope.
Stop following us! Freaking creep! This kid's trying to get his puppy back. And his nub is walking away. You better go get him.
Where is he? Oh, he's walking away.
He's on back.
A nub's
Just
puppy.
like you.
A nub's puppy.
Thorns.
What?
You're walking in socks too.
A nub. N-U-B. N-U-B, Max. N-U-B. A nub. Oh, there's a kitty. No, I'm not.
You're not what?
I'm not high.
No, I'm here too.
Reagan's here too.
And I agree.
Ow.
She's agreed.
Thorns, ha. Oh no, run!
Go! Don't let go of the puppy! What? Well, we're not. Our puppy's nice. What? He's getting far behind! He's gonna give up!
Rock. He's my rock.
No! Yeah? Alright. We're almost to the construction area, the pond. Okay. Bye. This is a nice puppy. That's a fan. That's a nub. The nubbiest.
This is Reagan.
This is Reagan with our puppy. That's our puppy. That
So
we
adorable.
just stole from that kid who was back there trying to
I'm
I don't
trying
know how to
to.
say this nicely.
Don't.
trying to
He's trying to steal our puppy.
try to steal our puppy.
I don't appreciate it
I don't appreciate it either.
because I can't run with the puppy.
I can't run with the puppy either.
Unless I have a plan, you go tackle him and I run.
I can't tackle that kid.
I can't tackle
He's
my
too
other
nubby.
puppy. That'd make it easier to tackle. Easier than here.
I don't know. He looks pretty far away from the camera.
Not that far.
It did.
Where's Matt?
He is on Spangler.
Alright. Is he ready to spawn?
He's gonna be,
Alright.
I think.
What?
What? Not yet. And by yet, I mean ever. He's running now! I'm gonna fall!
I can't fall! I have a puppy!
Hey, don't get that close.
I feel uncomfortable.
I need to find the path. Where's the path?
Right there.
Okay, good.
Nah, I don't want to go down. Because now we're going to show.
You left your nub all alone.
He's so lonely now. Go get him.
He's probably telling me.
We'll wait.
There. Telling that we stole his puppy?
Oh, I hope not.
Oh, it grew. It's okay.
No, it's not okay. Don't tell anybody you stole it.
Okay.
So
Keep
then
going that way and we'll
we
walk
all
around.
three went on a walk. And you voluntarily lended us your puppy.
Lended.
No.
Lended.
Nope.
You
You're going to tell
said
your parents we stole your puppy, are you?
Maybe.
No!
I said,
Another
can
one
we
right there.
hold/walk with your puppy? You said, sure. I picked your puppy up. We walked.
And you walked with
I
us?
didn't mean like take it away.
We're not. You're with
taking it.
us. We're not taking it. Ooh, that's pretty.
The cameras have proof.
He let us walk with his puppy.
He let us borrow his puppy.
I'm just pointing.
Maybe it's not mine.
What?
Hello? Trying to get my dog back.
No! That's not what you're
We're holding it.
I didn't.
No, you're walking with us.
I let my friends hold it.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright. Okay.
Again.
Alright. I have to take it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I did.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
We have to show Max. Make Max come back here. What if we stand here and wait for Max? Because I need to show him this. It's adorable puppy.
My feet hurt.
Can he see the puppy?
Only if he comes over here.
But she'll never know if we walk a little bit more.
We're just walking to there.
Yeah, my feet hurt.
So do mine.
So do mine. I will give
Walking
you my
with us?
shoes if that helps.
No.
Well, then you just...
Shouldn't have took your shoes off back there. Life lessons of a
Take it
nub.
back before I get down again.
Okay.
All right. He'll just have to see it in video.
Take a picture of it.
We're recording. We've been recording this whole time. How am I gonna get this puppy out?
No, we have to show Max the puppy.
Can't show Max the puppy.
We have to show Max the puppy. He's
So
on his way.
adorable.
He's on Spangler.
He'll stay on Spangler. You know he will.
Puppy. Hold on, like the camera. Make it. Make it. Do it now.
Oh, I didn't do it. All right, here's your puppy. Wait, will it fit in your shirt pocket? No.
Hold
I'll
on.
try.
Let me
All
hold
right,
it,
it doesn't.
once more. I
No.
just wanna.
Touch it.
Touch it. So cute. Wait, I want to kiss it. Okay.
Alright, fine.
Bye.
Oh gosh.
Puppy thief.